Hello guys, welcome back. I'm CJ. In this video, actually you know right, so let's start. Openshot. Openshot is very good video editor. It's good for beginners and starters. It works on every OS. It's easy, it's simple, and it's free. Shortcut. Shortcut is between beginner and professional. It works very well. You can modify every single thing. Cupwing. Cupwing is online web video editor. I use Cupwing to edit these videos. You can create a lot of memes. Windows 10 video editor. Yes. If you don't know, it's already installed in your PC or laptop. Go check it out. I would not recommend this for YouTube and stuff like that. Bye.